Bye-bye, Philippines. Bye-bye. Uli na mi. Uwi na kami. Ha? Bye-bye, Philippines. Bye-bye. Uli na mi. Uwi na kami. Ha?
We are sitting in the back as the guy or the check-in was putting us in one row.
Ah, okay. Because the seats are booked up. It's video then. Hello, guys.
We are
Big
sitting in the
day.
back of the plane.
Yeah, pauwi na kami.
And that's our window seat here.
Yeah.
That's
And
what I
Francine,
paid for, just a quarter of a window.
yeah, Francine wants more. More of the biscuit. You want more?
Sorry, this is the line for so maybe.
Landed in Manila. Manila na. Manila na kami, guys. Then, punta kami ng sa aming hotel. You did? Yeah, we checked her nappy first.
No, we go here first. You have never been so fast in your life.
Francine. Francine. Wow! Still hot. And Francine, oh Gordon, look at the neck. You need to. No, find it for the time being. Kakarating lang namin, tapos open gifts na agad. Okay. Sige. You open quick, like. Kay matulog pa mi gikan sa biyahe, galing sa biyahe. Kinsag naghatag na? Who give that? Who give that, Frank? So only Frank knows that eh.
I think
What?
Corey.
This is Corey.
Corey? Okay. Mga ngalan sa gift.
Yeah, open it.
Open yours, Francine. Open yours, that one. Yeah, open, Francine. That's for Mama and Papa. Come on, open.
I can't hear.
Help, Atela, help. Wow, what's that?
Maybe somebody took it out. Accidentally.
What's that?
Oh no.
No, it's
Just
not.
open yours, Sly. Let her be. This from Corey. I'll be the one to open this one. From Corey.
No,
My
this one.
towel. Yeah, swimming towel. Swimming towel for bath. Oh, there's a button sa mani eh. Games. Another game.
Open it.
Thank you, Corey. Though she's not watching our vlog. And a turtle! Look at that, Francine. Francine, there's a turtle. Ngayon lang sa nag-open ng case. Turtle. What do you have there? Come on, help Mama. Wow! Wow! Last year, nag-open din si Francine. Pero one gift lang galing sa amin. Oh!
You like it?
Okay.
Ah, guy. A guy.
What? Saan na, Day? The LOL bag. Come on. There's one more, Francine. Here, open that one. Open. You cannot open? Okay. Okay. Yeah, here. Here, open it. Okay, rip. You see, okay, open. Oy, big smile from Ella. Oy. Oy. I think this is really... Oy.
Oh.
What you'll say?
Thank you.
That's not from mine.
Thank
From
you.
Frank.
Yeah.
I have no gifts for you. For two of you.
But we got it together.
Yeah.
It's for the kids that we love,
Yeah.
actually.
What happened to yours now? Where's yours?
She doesn't find it anymore.
No more.
No, she opened it.
She opened it? Ah, wow! Come on, take out all the wrappers. Typusan ako ng mga wrappers.
Oi, oi, oi. So take them all out. Tuck, 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 tuck. Oi. Too weit weg. So now you can do it.
Now, one.
There's another one here. I'll do your finger.
Find the one. What number is that? Number 5. Here. Number 5. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. That's number 3. Here's the 3.
Let her do herself. She.
Yeah, but she needs to first know
Okay.
where to, so she keep on mind like the other animals. Where's 7? That's 7.
Look at that. Look at that. She knows that. She went directly for that. Is that a coincidence? No, you have to turn it. Turn it a bit. Turn it.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah. No, turn. Oh, she has cold hands. Eh? Here, come here, Francine. Here, look. 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 That's the big one.
Yeah,
Where's
number
the
10.
biggest?
Big Francine.
No.
Fine. No, it's wrong. Wrong. Where's the big one?
Yeah.
Da, that's it.
But-
Come on. Wrong way.
Yeah, I like that. Here, here, here. Turn. Look here, Francine. Francine here. Oi!
Oi. Hello?
Hey! She gets distracted with the noise.
Yeah, 10. Look,
Yeah.
Mama. Papa is coming home. What are you singing? Finish? Bye na, bye. Bye. Kiss.